Alright guys, here we have our 2005 Scion XB with a C350 transmission, C50 transmission I guess. We just pulled it out in the previous video here, and now we're going to show you guys how to put the new one in. So this is the install video. Right now we're just proceeding to pull the parts and pieces off the old transmission here, like this mount and whatnot, and proceed to put it on the new one. Alright, we're under here. We got these bolts. We actually put the transmission, slid it on, pretty self-explanatory. But we got the bolts here, here, and up there, and right here. The bell housing bolts that we're going to proceed to put back in. And then we'll work on getting this mount right here to go inside of these. So. Next thing we're going to do here is we're going to work on putting these CV axles back on and reassembling all the caliper assembly there. So do it on each side, and we're putting the starter on too, and working on putting it back together piece by piece. Alright, we're just putting the CV axles back in on each side, putting the starter on, and basically just putting everything back in piece by piece. So. Alright, after you get your axle nut on there and everything else assembled, you want to torque your axle nut to spec. So it could be different on whatever vehicle you have, but this is the 2005 Scion. The torque for this one is 159 foot-pounds, so that's what we're going to torque it to. Alright, now we got the plug out. Where is that? Oh yeah. Plug out to the transmission, and now we're going to proceed to put in the gear lube. Alright, now that we got the gear lube in, what we're going to do is we're going to proceed to put the airbox on, the battery, the radiator, and then put the grill and everything else on it. So. Alright guys, we got it finished up. Everything's put back together. Hopefully that was easy to understand. A lot of the stuff you kind of have to find where the bolts are at, but we got the new one in. We got the gear lube in. We put antifreeze in the radiator, and now we're just going to get ready to drive it and make sure she works. So thanks for watching.